In which act the designation of Comptroller and Auditor General is mentioned? Act of 1935. The concept of directive principle of state policy in Indian Constitution is adopted from that of Ireland and Spain. Subsidies are payment by government to consuming units. Which was the first state to go to polls under the delimitation? Kerala. Under which plan the Constituent Assembly of India was constituted? Cabinet Mission Plan 1946, which has been described as the soul of the human constitution, which has been described as the soul of the Indian Constitution. Right to constitutional remedies. The Supreme Court at Calcutta was established by Regulating Act of 1773, where the public interest litigation (PIL) can be filed, both in High Courts and Supreme Court. By which constitutional amendment OBCs have been given 27% reservation in the admission to educational institution? 93rd Constitutional Amendment. Which state first established the institution of Lokayukt? Maharashtra. Right to education, introduced through 86th Amendment, came into force in 2010. Which article provides institutional framework for the enforcement of the fundamental rights by the Supreme Court? Article 32. The National Green Tribunal Act was enacted in consonance with the provision mentioned in Article 21, who audits the accounts of not only the central government but also those of the states, Comptroller and Auditor General. The planned development model was adopted in India from April 1, 1951. The concept of microcredit is focused on debts. Which is the oldest mutual fund of India? Unit Trust of India. In terms of market capitalization, which is the largest stock exchange of the world? Bombay Stock Exchange. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority is a constitutional body. Which financial market is suitable to issue new securities? Primary markets. The Planning Commission is described as the Economic Cabinet by Ashok Chand. The term CRM used in business plan development stands for Customer Relationship Manager. SIP policies are mainly focused on all salaried persons. The word Rajan in the Rig Veda is the best translated as a citizen rather than king. Which stup has a carved panel showing Ajatshatru's visit supported by a Prakrit inscription to the Buddha? Bharut. It is an ancient Indian body of jurisprudence that is still fundamentally the family law of Hindu living outside India. Dharmashastra. Which is not a part of the Triratna of Jainism? Right livelihood. Which Maurya king was killed by Pushyamitra Shunga, bringing an end to Mauryan rule? Brihadrath. The famous Meenakshi temple in Madurai was built by Pandyas. The 12th century witnessed the emergence of a new movement in Karnataka led by a Brahmin called Basavanna. The Great Bath was found in Mohenjo-daro. When was the Muslim League established? 1906, Dhaka. In 1921, All India Khilafat Conference was held at Karachi. The concept of Gotra emerged in later Vedic times, which literally means cow pen. The gold coins which reveal love for music were issued by Guptas. Dillika. Dillika is the ancient name of Delhi, which was founded by Tomars. It is an amphitheatre-like valley head formed at the head of a valley glacier by erosion. Sark. It is a streamlined hill carved from bedrock on any consolidated or semi-consolidated material by the dual action of wind abstraction. Yardang. It is a depositional feature of a glacier where a topography of elongated hill in the shape of an inverted spoon is formed. Drumlin. Grand Banks are one of the major fishing grounds of the world due to presence of North American constituent shelf. The permanent wind that blows from the horse latitude to the equatorial region is known as trade wind. The tropical cyclones of China seas are called typhoons. Which two gases constitute the 99% of the atmosphere, oxygen and nitrogen? Which atmospheric pollutant is the main constituent of acid rain? Sulfur dioxide. Formation of an anticyclone results in stormy weather condition. The earthquake is measured by seismograph. Longest day in southern hemisphere falls on December 22. At which place India's National Oceanic Park is situated? Kutch. The largest diversity of plants and animal species is found in tropical wet forests. The process of maintaining constant water vapor content of the atmosphere is called hydrological cycle. Deep sea plains are also called abyssal plains. Depth below sea level is mapped by isobars and measured by fathoms. The IC chip in computers is made from silicon. The relative humidity of air is measured by hygrometer. Minamata disease is caused by mercury. The speed of light is highest in vacuum. Which chemical compound is used for preserving the fruit juices? Sodium benzoate. By which gland the trypsin enzyme is secreted? Pancreas. Which endocrine gland secretes the hormone to control the sugar level? Pancreas. The main constituent of biogas is acetylene. Bacillus thuringiensis is used as organic pesticides. Which isotope of uranium is used in energy plants to produce electricity? Uranium-238. Which element is used in making of solar cells? Silicon. Coral roofs of Cycas help in absorption of water. Viticulture is associated with the production of grapes. Probasi Bharatiya Divas is held every year from the year 2003. Who is known as Deshbandhu? Chittaranjan Das. In which Indian state Dilwara temple is situated? Rajasthan. Ashes cricket series is played between England and Australia. Which is the largest national highway of India? NH7. All India Muslim League was established in Dhaka. When was South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation established? SAARC. 1985. On which day the International Non-Violence Day is celebrated? January 30. Who is the author of the book Namesake? Jhumpa Lahiri. Who is the author of Satyagraha? Who is the author of Satyartha Prakash? Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Satyartha Prakash, Swami Dayananda Saraswati. The only sanctuary where Kashmiri stag is found is Dachigram Wildlife Sanctuary. Which country has the largest forest cover area in the world? Russia. Tarapur Nuclear Station is located in Thane, Maharashtra.